Okay, so today we're talking about the wheel from Lyon equipment, the new wheel. As you can see, it comes in a big orange bag. One of the questions we have is, how do you carry it? It does have a carrying handle, so if you're not going very far, you can just carry it in your hand. It does have these two straps here, which can be used as rucksack straps, but they also do very well hooking over the top of a stretcher like that. So if you can get someone else to carry your rucksack for you, you can carry a stretcher and a wheel, and it's all one unit, and it's all right, it's manageable. Also, if you imagine that going onto someone's rucksack, you can use those two long straps to strap it onto a rucksack in the same way. Okay, so let's put the wheel together. So we undo the carrying straps. In this side are two sets of V legs, and the cross arms, cross beams. On this side should be 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4 straps. And the wheel itself. So start off with the cross beams. All of the locating pins on the stretcher work in the same way. So there is a central pin which you push in, and that releases these 2 ball bearings which are stopping the pin from coming out. So to put the pin back in again, push in, let go, it's locked. Push the pin in and pull the outer pin out, and it comes out. So, if we take the pins out, now this wheel assembly is designed for multiple different makes and models of stretcher. Ours are set so the pin goes through the number 9. So if we line up the number 9 with where the pin goes, and locks in place. So that should be set to the right distance now, with the pin going to the number 9 on the scale. So the legs are colour coded red and blue. This is not red to head, blue to shoe, because on this side we've got a red dot there, so that goes in there. And on this side, the red is back here. So it's always the same way round, as in it's red on the left. So it's there, and again it's red on the left again. Put the pins in. So finally we can drop the wheel in. And it's a bike wheel, so it drops in, and then you've got the quick release, crank that up, and it's secure. Okay, so mounting the wheel. Now, I've cheated because there's only one of me today, so I've got the stretcher bouncing on a couple of wheels. but the wheel is underneath, and it's set. You need to set it so the centre of the wheel is somewhere about level with the centre of mass of the whole system. It's sort of in there a bit. So let's bring it forward. Probably about there. So, but certainly before the skids start going up on the end. So I'm going to take the attachment straps. These are twist lock carabiners. So we'll start off over here. You can lark's foot them, or you can just clip both sides. And then this hook goes into the ring down on the axle. So the same on this side. Now you want these slings outside of the cross beams. So you want these slings outside the cross beams. So if you attach it in here, then it's not going to give you as much support. So I'm going to gently tighten the straps up. If you pull one side before the other side's got any tension on it at all, it'll just pull the wheel out of alignment. So pull them down to there, pull them down, and then once there's a bit of tension on both sides, you can start pulling it tight. These straps, there are some elastic keepers, or you can just tie them up out the way onto the skids. You're not tying the stretcher onto the wheel, you're just keeping the straps out of the way. So that's where it goes. Connected in, carabiner done up, pin in, central location, pin in, connected up. Good to go.